Got the heads off, the intake manifold off. A little bit of mixture going on here. Some coolant with some oil. Still got to tear down the front timing cover and harmonic balancer.
Not even hidden ones. Apply now in the Raw app on iPhone and start using it right away. Subject to credit approval. Later missed payments will result in additional interest.
That damn can looking good, man.
APRs range from 15.49% to 26.49% based on creditworthiness. Rate dated March 1st, 2023.
All the parts off. Tearing it down, brother. Brother's suffering through allergies, so we gotta hurry up. Well, guys, stay tuned for the next one. We're going to part 2 here soon whenever this guy fucking gets his life together. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, welcome back. Part 2. Here with the homie Aaron, a.k.a. Ron. And the boy Mark over there, a.k.a. Habib. We're about to tear down his motor. Stay tuned. There it is right there. All city, black, carbon buildup. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna be taking off the harmonic balancer, timing cover. We're gonna be cleaning everything on the block, getting everything stripped. We're gonna remove the oil pan. We're gonna take off the oil filter housing. We're gonna see if we can clean up these pistons. It depends on pretty much what time we're working with. So let's go. You're polluting our waters, our water supply. How could you? How could you? Easy. You have no what?
Yeah, that piece though? Or just take it with you?
Which one?
So I'll probably just put it on a piece of red, so in case it keeps going out.
Users. Hey guys, so thank you for supporting me so far. Everything's going good. We got the motor prepped. Pretty much the block to head mating surface has been prepped. We cleaned up the pistons. We're got the cam removed, oil pan removed, and we're pretty much ready to prep the heads to get reinstalled. So last minute we kind of looked at a couple different things. Picking this thing up fairly quick due to his trip that he has coming up. I have a buddy of mine that actually rebuilt the motor in the RV, the V10. I brought it to him, and he did the motor, resealed the motor, and last piece in the motor from the bottom up. He also painted the motor, pressure tested the head. He did so many things, and it was all for like $4,200. And he did a really good job. Turnaround rate was great. He's over here in the Oxnard. His name's Oscar. So we hit him up and see if he can just do a valve job or hot tank the heads, do a valve job and resurface the heads, just to make our life a little bit easier because we're running out of time with rebuilding the motor. He's gonna do this job for about $300, which is not bad at all. As you guys know, it's usually more expensive than that. So stay tuned for what's to come.